What's up, guys? Darth Ralph Skywalker back here with the new video, and I want to say, hey guys, Darth Ralph Skywalker here, and I am back on YouTube today. I missed you guys so much, and I want to say I'm sorry. I haven't posted any videos during the past or a couple of days or months ago because I was busy with online school because of COVID-19 and other crap. So on Friday and Saturday I'm gonna upload 2 new videos starting tomorrow and this week. I want to give you guys a heads up, and this is an update. So anyway, I'm gonna start this video now. I'm just walking to school on a rainy day, so it's raining out there. Sure, it's raining outside. Anyway, shout out time. These shout outs go to Mateus the Gamer 14, AHL Air Hockey, Dillcrafts, HRL Horse Racing League, CK's Gaming Channel, and Fancy Pants. And Dillcrafts also. So those are the shout outs for today. Stay tuned for upcoming videos by tomorrow night. Anyway, I'm just walking to school. Sure, it's raining. I missed you guys so much. It's been a while since I haven't been on YouTube. I love you guys so much, and I missed you so much. It's been a while since I haven't done YouTube. Anyway, there will be 2 new videos. There'll be 2 new videos by tomorrow. Alright, I'm almost there at the school. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end this video now. I just made it to school, so stay tuned for the next upcoming videos starting tomorrow and Saturday. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, send likes to the comments. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video starting tomorrow and Saturday. And don't forget, may the force be with you, my friends. And this is Darth Ralph Skywalker signing off. Peace out.